Black Friday sale. Hi, I'm Ron Pulp, and this is my smart wood shop. Today, let me get this right. Don't want to mislead you. Today, starting right now, through the 24th to the 27th, 15% off TSO. So everything that you see me use that's blue, in fact, let me show you this stuff up close. The GRS 16 guide rail square. If I'm cutting wood, I'm using it. This drawer right here, number one drawer, the first drawer that I open whenever I start work, is exclusively TSO. So I have all my blue stuff, all three of my parallel guide setups ready to snap right on, as well as my plethora of bench dogs, especially the power locks, the ones made specifically for the Smart Wood Shop. If you don't want to miss out on the Black Friday sale, I'll put a link in the description of this video down below. It'll take you right to their website. You take advantage of that 15% discount. It is an affiliate link, and I do get compensated if you purchase from them, but it doesn't cost you any extra. And of course, it helps support the Smart Wood Shop channel. Mahalo.